Hello there. Today I'm going to be explaining about basic addition and the way that I do most calculations. Addition in itself is easy. It's basically adding two things up. For example, you have 2 and you have 1. How much would it be? 2 fingers and then add 1 finger. That's 3. Let's say you have 2 apples and then your friend gives you another apple. How many apples do you have? We can rewrite that as just 2 plus 1 equals 2. Put 2 fingers up, add another 1, that's 3. But all that is simple. Let's get on to the hard part. For example, you have 12 and you have 13. What would you do first? Something that I personally do is if these last two numbers don't add up to 10, which these don't, these add up to 5. 2 plus 3 equals to 5, and then 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So the answer is 25. Now what if the last two numbers add up to something more than 10? Like this would be 11 and 2, and that's clearly wrong. What I do is I change the highest number to something that is easier to add on to. For example, 17 could turn into 20 because 17 is close to 20. So I basically change the number into a 10. How much do you add to 17 to get 20? That's 3. So now we get this 3 and we get 14, which is the other number. We move this 3 over here and add minus. So now it's 14 minus 3 equals to 11. So now the equation, which looked hard, is now just 20 plus 11, which is just 0 plus 1, that's 1, 2 plus 1, that's 31. Now, getting on to the more advanced stuff, what if you have something in the hundreds? You're gonna move this 127 up here, you're gonna move 245 down here. And now, what do you do with these numbers? 7 plus 5 is 12. You want to get the second number, which is 2, put it over here, and the first number, which is 1, you want to put it over here because 12. As you can see, this is 1, 2, 12. Now that you have 1 plus 2 plus 4, so that's 3 plus 4. Now you have 7. And now you have 1 plus 2, so that's 372. Now I have a question for you. Can you solve this? I'll pause the video and I'll give you some time to solve it. If you understood my learning, the answer you should have gotten is 107. Now I will explain how I did that. So first, it's 1 plus 6, 7. 5 plus 5, 10. The reason we didn't add an extra 1 is because there's no digit behind this to add the extra 1 to. So it's just 10 and 7, 107. That will be it for my lesson. My next lesson will be about subtraction.